Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by defining responsive primitives so layouts adapt predictably. Measure viewport with dimensions or use window dimensions and record width, height, and orientation. Create a small theme module, spacing scale, font scale, and breakpoints. Import platform checks for iOS versus Android differences. Once done, replace hard-coded sizes with scalable tokens. Make sure to wrap screens in a top-level safe area view and test on multiple emulators immediately so you catch platform layout quirks early. Next, refactor components to rely on flexbox and percentage or fractional widths instead of fixed pixels. This keeps UI fluid across widths. Introduce utility functions, a scale, size, using pixel ratio and a vertical scale counterpart for height-sensitive elements. For typography, compute sizes from base font and accessibility font scale. Once done, serve responsive images with multiple resolution assets and apply resize mode, contain, or cover as appropriate. Make sure to test text wrapping and input layouts on narrow screens and tablets. To finish, validate responsiveness under real conditions. Change font sizes, orientation, and emulate low-end devices. Implement clamping for sizes and max lines for text to prevent overflow. Conditionally render denser or simplified layouts for very small screens. Once done, add animations that respect reduced motion settings. If things go wrong, first inspect with the Layout Inspector and console measured widths. Often a single fixed value or an absolute position child breaks flow. So identify and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.